Welcome to this explainer. Let's uncover those hidden, massive profit margins in your commercial car wash setup.
Running a Joburg auto detailer? Honestly, those overpriced retail chemicals are literally washing your hard-earned profits away.
The fix? Switch to wholesale concentrates from guys like Natobi Cleaning Supplies to slash overhead by 50%.
Think about it. Retail stuff is totally watered down. Wholesale gives you pro-level concentration for way less.
Retail supply chains stack a crazy 45 to 60% markup before the bottle even hits your shelf.
The real secret here? It's all about surfactants, those active chemical ingredients doing the actual heavy lifting.
Get this, Pro Wholesale formulas pack up to 18% active ingredients, leaving weak retail products in the dust.
Because it's so concentrated, a single 20-liter wholesale drum dilutes into 4,000 liters of working solution. Insane, right? Hand washing or pressure washing, doesn't matter. The dilution math heavily favors these incredibly efficient wholesale concentrates every time. Even for grimy engines, those heavy-duty alkaline degreasers slice right through oil with absolute maximum economic efficiency. It isn't just shampoo either. Wholesalers stock the whole shebang to safely prep, clean, and protect every single surface.
Sourcing the stuff is a breeze. No minimum orders, instant wholesale rates, and super fast local logistics.
Plus, professional suppliers deliver same day across major Joburg districts, keeping your busy operation running without a hitch. As you grow, savings snowball. Buying full pallets unlocks an extra 25 to 30% off, a real game changer. Even tiny single-bay operations can instantly grab these huge margins and use 30-day terms to boost cash flow.
So here's the question. Will you keep washing away profits on retail markups or maximize your hidden margins today?